In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate and use Steam game recording efficiently while you're in game. First, ensure that your Steam app is open. If you haven't already, go ahead and launch the application from your desktop or start menu. Once Steam is up and running, locate the login button on the homepage and click on it. You'll then be prompted to enter your account credentials. This is simply your account name and password, so enter those details carefully. After you've entered your credentials, click on Sign In to access your Steam account. Once you're inside your account, navigate to the top right corner where you'll see the Steam menu, click on it, and from the drop down select Settings. Here you'll find an option labelled Game Recording. Select this to proceed to the Game Recording Settings panel. Now within the Game Recording settings you have a few different modes to choose from. The first option you might see is to record in the background. This means that any gameplay will automatically be recorded, allowing you to capture spontaneous gaming moments without needing to start and stop recordings manually. Alternatively, if you prefer more control over your recordings, you can set up hotkeys for manual recording. This feature enables you to start and stop the recording with a simple key press, giving you flexibility to capture only what you deem important. If at any point you decide that you don't want to record your gameplay, you can simply choose the off option to disable recording entirely. Remember, you can toggle these settings as often as you need, so don't worry about making permanent decisions here. Beyond choosing your recording mode, you'll want to adjust a few additional settings to suit your needs. You can specify the maximum amount of disk space you're willing to use for recordings, and determine the file location where these recordings will be saved. It's essential to assign a directory with plenty of available space so you don't run into any storage issues. Moreover, you can fine-tune settings related to audio capture and configure any shortcut keys that will make the recording process smoother for you. Once you're satisfied with your setup, close the settings tab. You're now ready to start recording your gameplay. For some users, using software like OBS Studio or nvidia's shadowplay can offer additional features and recording flexibility. These programs can work alongside or instead of Steam's built-in capabilities based on your preference and system compatibility. So whether you're looking to capture epic multiplayer battles or just want to revisit an amazing game moment, Steam Game Recording has got you covered. Now you're all set, and the next time you jump into a game, you'll be fully prepared to record every exciting moment. Happy gaming and happy recording.